Yes.
Hello everyone, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay. I think you seem look happy today. তোমাদের আজকে দেখে happy মনে হচ্ছে কেন বলো তো? Cause we like a busy class.
Yes.
Yes. Cause we need to get fun with Choker ABC class, phonetics, right?
Yes.
So today we will, play the game. আমরা একটা কি করব? We will play game খেলবো. So আমাদের গেমের রুলসটা হচ্ছে at first I will go through all of the sounds together. আমি সবগুলা সাউন্ডস চলে যাব যেহেতু we have already completed A letter, right? আমাদের A letter শেষ সেহেতু আমরা একবার রিভাইজ করব A letterer সাউন্ডগুলো then I will start the game. Okay, are you ready guys?
Yes.
Okay, at first be good and repeat after me, okay? Say A sounds A.
A sounds A.
It's the IPA symbol. It's the IPA symbol. And it's the Bengali sound, right? So A sounds A. A sounds A. A sounds A. So, can anyone tell me what it is? এটা কি বলো তো? এটা কি? Now, এই জিনিসটা কি? Long vowel symbol. এই জিনিসটাকে আমরা কি বলবো? Long vowel symbol. Very good. এই দেখো এভাবে ছিল না ওখানে It's the long vowel symbol. It's the long vowel symbol. Very good. So go to the next one. A sounds A. A sounds A. A sounds A. Next one. A sounds A. A sounds A. Next one. A sounds E. A sounds E. Okay, then next. A sounds A. A sounds A. Sure up. Sure up. Sure up. Okay, Konanika, please come here. Okay. So F, okay? IPA symbol F. Very good. What have you drawn? Very good. F. Okay, go back. Now, who can write the Bengali sounds of it? Come here. What it is?
The Bengali sound is A.
Very good. Now, let's go to the next. Who can write the word with A? Word with A. Come here. Sit down, sit down. F says. Okay, what have you written?
That says apple.
Very good. F says apple. So দেখেন আমাদের বাচ্চারা কিন্তু প্রথমে কি লিখেছে? IPA symbol, তারপরে ওই সিম্বলের বেঙ্গলি সাউন্ড, তারপরে এক্সাম্পল. I think আমাদের বাচ্চারা is well known about all of those phonetics, all of those sounds with the word. It's a fun, right?
Yes.
Okay. So go to the next. A sounds air. Who can draw? Air. করবে কোনটা রং হয়েছে বলো তো? এই যে পাশেরটা। এখন কারেক্ট করতে আসবে। কে কারেক্ট করবে? তুমি করবে? দাঁড়াও, ওয়েট। তুমি করবে? পারবে? No, wait. আসো। Write it. ঠিক আছে। Very good. What have you drawn? What it is? Air. Who can write the Bengali sound? Okay. Yeah, go. Air, come here. Okay, write the Bengali sounds. Air. Bangla লিখবে। Air লিখবে। Air. Okay, so what have you written? তুমি কি লিখেছো বলো? I have written air. Sounds very good. Clap. Now who can write the word with air? Word? Can you write word with air? Come here. Write it. Air. Okay, very good. What have you written? What have you written? Very good. Clap. Okay. So next one. S sounds. Ah. Ah. Who can draw ah? Ah. Now you have come one time. Sit down. Okay. Come here. Come here. Ah. Okay. Alibo. Ah. Draw the symbol of ah. Now don't force. এখানে লিখো ধরো হ্যাঁ sit down don't move so what have you written very good Hassan clap okay now we can write the Bengali one okay come on Bengali one right here stand over there okay right oh my god very good clap what have you written bolo ki likhecho tumi essence very good okay so says word have you come before okay you didn't come here right now okay oh my god select okay Pratush come here says ki হয় word ade ki হয় kha very good clap Pratush what have you written kha very good says kha very good go back okay so next one essence who can draw come here no baba you have come one time সবাই আসতে চাচ্ছি সবাইকে তো ডাকবো right everyone has to perform today সবাই আজকে perform করবো all symbol right erased you want to do perfectly that's why you have erased good so what have you drawn very good clap now who can write the Bengali sounds of okay come here now next one is word with okay be ready for it write it what have you written essence now let's guess the word who can write it you with the glass says what you need a guess it right here what is this now you don't need to write the symbol word write the word write word okay very good EAL what it is what have you written yes says cold says cold very good cold okay so next one A who can draw A symbol A come here come quickly come quickly A draw A okay E who can draw E come here okay draw the symbol E E symbol. It's A. Okay, I have said E. A is correct, right? A. Okay, but I have told you to write E symbol. E. 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 Next one, E. Okay, so we have already participated here, right? So that